Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Panasonic Electric Razor for men, the ARC5 model, with a premium automatic cleaning and charging station. If you're in the market for a top-tier electric shaver that delivers precision and performance, this one's definitely worth considering. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Panasonic ARC5 is designed to provide a fast, efficient shave with a high-performance motor and a 5-blade system. It promises to deliver up to 70,000 crosscuts per minute, which should result in a smoother and quicker shave. Whether you prefer to shave wet or dry, this model is versatile enough to suit both. This razor is equipped with a flexible 16D shaving head, which pivots in 16 directions to follow the contours of your face. This makes it easier to get a close shave on the chin, neck, and jawline without missing those tricky areas. Plus, with the advanced intelligent shave sensor, the razor adjusts its power 220 times per second based on beard density to ensure an even shave with minimal effort. Now let's talk about the shave itself. The razor's stainless steel blades are precision honed to an acute 30-degree angle, which is designed to lift and cut through thick beards with ease. The outer foil system further captures hairs for a closer shave, even on denser areas. From my testing, I found the shave to be incredibly close, leaving my skin feeling smooth without the irritation often associated with some other electric razors. In terms of ease of use, the razor performs well, but what sets this model apart is the premium automatic clean and charge station. This feature keeps the razor free of stubble and ensures that the battery stays charged and ready for the next use. The station is an impressive addition, especially if you're tired of manually cleaning your razor after every shave. It makes maintenance hassle-free, and with the included replacement blade and foil set, you can maintain a consistently sharp shave. Pros: high-performance motor with 70,000 crosscuts per minute for a quick and smooth shave. 16D pivoting head follows the natural contours of your face, making shaving more efficient and comfortable. Intelligent shave sensor adjusts power based on beard density for an even shave. Stainless steel blades honed to a 30-degree angle for a close, clean shave. The automatic cleaning and charging station is a game changer for keeping your razor in top condition with minimal effort. Cons: the initial price point may feel a bit high for those on a tighter budget. The charging station takes up a bit of counter space, so it might not be ideal for those with limited bathroom storage. While the shave is close, it may not be as smooth as a straight razor for those who prioritize the ultimate shave experience. When it comes to value for money, the Panasonic ARC5 is definitely on the higher end, but the features you're getting, particularly the automatic cleaning station and the advanced shaving technology, justify the price. If you're someone who shaves daily or has a dense beard, the ease of use and time-saving features can make the investment worth it. Comparing this to other electric razors, like the Bronze Series 7 or 9, you'll find that the ARC5 offers similar performance, but with more flexibility in its pivoting head and superior motor speed. The main difference is the cleaning station, which some competitors don't offer, giving Panasonic an edge in convenience. In terms of build quality, the razor feels solid and well-designed, with a sleek black finish that feels premium. The automatic cleaning station is compact and easy to use, adding a lot of convenience to your daily routine. As for longevity, the razor is built to last, and with regular cleaning and maintenance, it should provide years of effective performance. The replacement blade and foil set is easy to find, so keeping it in top shape is not an issue. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum it up, the Panasonic ARC5 is a fantastic option for anyone seeking a high-performance, efficient electric razor. It offers a close, smooth shave, advanced features, and great convenience with the automatic cleaning station. While it's a bit on the pricey side, if you're someone who values ease of use and top-tier performance, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the Panasonic ARC5, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Also, you can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.